Hello, I am Fariha and my today's presentation topic is Evolution of Geophysical Method in Petroleum Exploration. So first, let's know about petroleum exploration and geophysical method. Petroleum exploration is an organized science way for hydrocarbon and geophysical method used to explore the Earth's subsurface treasure. The intent of my review paper is to depict the historical development as well as modern geophysical advancement of geophysical technique and find out the impact of advancement in petroleum industry. First, I collect the comprehensive data and from multiple research paper and try to organize it in a chronological order. While working on this data, I noticed that whenever scientists find any problem or any kind of failure that provoke them to invent something new or that result improvement of geophysical method. So we can say that every geophysical method has its own advantage and limitation. So that limitation of geophysical method inspires scientists to solve it by advancement of geophysical technique. For example, ductile salt can be efficient at trapping of oil and gas, but seismic method is downgraded when exploring the salt provinces. In that case, gravity geophysical method seems more preferable. Here, limitation of seismic method provokes scientists to work on advancement of gravity method. So we can say that searching for the solution of limitation of geophysical method lead to the evolution. Now let's know some modern advancement of geophysical method. For example, technological innovation includes horizontal drilling, 3D seismic technique, drilling in hostile environment of offshore technique, which has created a big impact in petroleum production. It also increased the discovery of commercial successful reserve. Besides that, software play a supportive role in calculating multiple geophysical data processing and analysis algorithm. We give raw geophysical data to software and it gives us the final output, seismic section, attributed maps, geophysical models, etc. Mesa, Plex, PKs are some of the software packages that used in petroleum exploration. Besides that, artificial intelligence is the most recent advancement of geophysical method that covers numerous areas of geophysical method like seismic interpretation, reservoir modeling, production optimization, and drilling automation. Now let's know some success stories of evolution of geophysical method in petroleum exploration. First fact, 3D seismic technique applied on Ordos Basin, and it is observed that reservoir production prediction success rate becomes 72.1%, which is 2 times higher than the previous 2D seismic technique. Another success example is discovery of number of buried anticline and measuring petroleum become increased as technology is progressed over time in Kuka Basin. Also, Soviet Union employed numerous electrical technique in order to find oil like resistivity, induced polarization as self-potential technique, and they are successful to detect both large deposit the non-prospective area. Another success is that the innovation of vector magnetometer and the use of magnetic survey to offshore exploration are some of the success of magnetic method advancement. Now let's know some results of innovation. We know advanced technology with high computational program and increase the precision and effectiveness of geophysical method. Geophysics now can work quickly and more accurately, worked on vast amount of data at the same time and show it with proper graphical representation and modeling. Automated reports are created by artificial intelligence that saves time and labor, and real-time monitoring remotely This video seems helpful to you, please like and subscribe Earth Detective, and also visit our YouTube channel where we upload lots of videos based on earth science. We also organized the videos in playlist based on topics. Feel free to explore and suggest us what you want to learn from us. You can also check description for links of our social media website for resources, a PowerPoint file and further discussion. Thanks for watching.